This is Carol of the Bells, the harmony section. You can keep track of the introduction, which is a 4-bar introduction, by counting the first beat. It sounds like this. So you can count like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our next section, our next 4-bar phrase, goes like this. Each of those notes should have an accent, and it should have a zumbo, and if you know vibrato, we should add a little bit of vibrato. And I highly recommend counting to yourself when you play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so that you can keep track. Ready, set, go. From the beginning, let's start with the introduction. Get ready, and then we'll come in with the bass line. Next part, E's. This is a zumbo on the down bow. 4 of them. Let's play it together. Ready, set, go. From the beginning. Next part, it sounds exactly like the introduction when we play 4 of them. Let's put it all together from the top. Here's your intro. Going on. So that part is the same bowing as the first E and the G, but we change. Let's try again from the beginning. Here's your 4-bar intro. Careful because the counting changes. We have combinations. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And it's my experience that the dotted half notes tend to rush. So it's really a super good idea to count 1, 2, 3 to make sure they get their full duration. Let's start from there. It's 3 is B. Ready, set, go. Okay, so let's put this all together. But before we do that from the beginning, let's try from this part with the zumbos. 1 is E. Did you notice that you keep your 3 as B after you play your stay? It's the same note. That's an area where we sometimes get a little confused. Alright, from the beginning, here's your 4-bar introduction. the same kind of bowing articulation as the beginning. They need a little bit of a whoosh and an accent. Extra points if you can get a tunnel in there for Forest C. So this connects from this section like so. And then the very last 4 measures are the same note, and we count so that we can keep track of where we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 2 half notes tied together. And after that, we go back to the beginning. So let's start from the very, very top where we have the violin introduction, and we'll play all the way through. To the beginning. Let's play one more time. This part, the second time through, does not have an introduction. So after your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you go right back to your, which I call the descending bass line. Then, after you've played it through a second time, you have a pause, and the violin part sounds like this. And then we go all together and hold out. So the last note is an E. One is E on a D string. So let's pretend like we've played all the way through the second time, and we're going to do our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the B, and then we'll listen to the violin part played by me and come in with our final note. 1, 2, 3, ready, set, go.